ananas al forno. Well, while the oven is hot, we might as well do dessert in the oven. And we might as well bake some pineapple. It's delicious, a delicious recipe. So some butter, get a baking pan. Just brush it with butter all around. That's good. Brown sugar. Okay. And then some bourbon. It's getting better and better, huh? Some orange juice. Okay, so let's put the pineapple in. Okay. There's pineapple juice. Let's get that in here. And let's top it with some more brown sugar. Okay. Nice hot oven, 400 degrees. You put it on the bottom shelf of the oven because you want this to kind of a little bit cook from underneath. And bake it for about 50 minutes. Go in there periodically, turn it, baste it, and you're gonna get a delicious golden pineapple with bourbon syrup on top. Looks beautiful, right? Okay, so let's begin to serve it. Wow. And that's magnifico. That's for me. Okay. A little bit of the sauce. Good to the last drop. Okay, I don't want to forget any for me here. Que bellezza, que bellezza. To bring it to the table. This is if you want to put it in the middle of the table. I think I'd like a little ice cream, and if you're going to plate it for your guest, then just like that, and you get a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you put it right in the middle here. I need a little bit more sauce here to put on top of my ice cream. A little celebration is indeed in place here. A little rosé, and I'm gonna go with the spoon because I want to collect everything. So, Eccellente, straordinario, buonissimo. So simple, so straightforward, and so delicious. Yeah, I have something to share with you. You can come over. Let me invite you. Come. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. Cin cin.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.